Hey everybody, welcome back. So we've just performed a HydraFacial for Laura here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to maximize your pre and post HydraFacial routine. If you love learning about the best products and procedures available today to help you age well, then I recommend that you subscribe to this channel, because that's what I'm all about as an advanced aesthetic nurse, having helped thousands of clients since 2011. I'm here to help you. All right, Laura, so let's talk about your pre and post care. You've already had your HydraFacial, but just so you know, for next time, avoid using glycolic products, retinols, or really intense scrubs for at least 3 days before your next treatment, okay? They can just thin the skin and just make it a little bit more irritated and make you more sensitive to the HydraFacial. It can make you just a bit red actually afterward. After your treatment, simply keep the skin well hydrated. And I do like to recommend proper treatments that I've suggested in clinic that I know has worked well after having the HydraFacial. You don't want to be using any random thing that you've picked up from your drugstore or department store, because there could be agents that could actually cause a reaction after your HydraFacial. So just do what I've recommended for you. A nice, bland, general moisturizer that's free of retinols and glycolic acid is really what you want to do. And you absolutely need to be using sunscreen afterwards, because you've had a glycolic acid chemical peel essentially, and the skin is a little bit thinned right now. So if you were to go in the sun, you would actually be more prone to sun damage, such as thinning of the skin, breakdown of elastin collagen, and causing pigmentation, things like that. So really focus on avoiding the sun for a couple of days and be really diligent with hydration and sun protection. You should also avoid using retinols and exfoliation products for a couple of days afterwards also. It's not really necessary for you to go home and do a scrub tonight because your skin's already been amazingly exfoliated. Just focus on hydration and sun protection. You can do a little bit of a scrub if you want after maybe 3 or 4 days. Those would be my suggestions for you to get the most out of your treatment, and also to give you the tips you need for next time to prepare properly. Give yourself about a month in between your treatments as well. We hope that you guys loved this overview of what you need to do before and after your HydraFacial. It's pretty basic. Don't do anything intense to the skin a couple days before your treatment. Same goes afterwards. Just keep it well hydrated and sun protected, but make sure you're using products that are recommended by your provider, because they're gonna know what's worked on their clients. Don't just use anything random that you're getting over the counter. And you guys all know how I feel about over the counter skincare versus medical grade. I have a great video on that, going over the science of over the counter versus medical grade. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you learned anything in the comment section down below, or if you've had a HydraFacial yourself. I'd love to hear from you. See you guys in the next video.